We've looked at arrays, but have not looked at array operators. Let's create two arrays. I guess this time we'll do a list of my favorite animals to kind of deviate away from cars and whatnot. So we'll just create an array called birds, and I guess one of my favorite birds is the Scarlet Macaw, followed by the white Cockatoo, and then I just like this bird just because of its name, buff-faced Pygmy Parrot. Alright, so we have three birds. Let me see if I can just make this a little bit smaller so everything fits on the screen. There we go. And big cats. I don't like small cats, but I do like big cats. And those are going to be the tiger, the lion, you know, standard stuff, and the cheetah, and the puma. So this array right here, it has 3 elements, and this one has 4. Alright, so we're going to go and try our first array operator, and that's combining these two lists together. And that's done by doing birds plus big cats, which doesn't produce the result that you would think. So let's first take a look at the result, and then I'll explain it. Actually, I'm going to have to first var dump animals. Okay, and now let's hit refresh, and what we get is the Scarlet Macaw, white Cockatoo, buff-faced Pygmy, and Puma. Well, what happened to the tiger, the lion, and the cheetah? I mean, we used a plus operator. Well, it creates a new array called animals that combines the key value pairs. So 0, 1, and 2 exist in the first array, which will not be overwritten by the second array. But Puma does not exist, so it's added because it's 0, 1, 2, the third array element. It's not a true union by any means, if that's what you're thinking. If you want to truly merge the two and include all the values, you'll have to use array merge, which I guess we can do it right here, even though it's a tutorial on operators, but we'll show this function called array merge just so you can see the difference. So we'll say birds and big cats are going to be merged, and then we're going to do another var dump of fave animals. Let's see what that looks like this time, just so you can see the comparison, I guess, of the two, the array merge versus the using the plus operator. The array merge creates a new array with both elements from both arrays. I guess I'm starting to run out of animals, so let's go back to cars. Let's do car 1 is equal to an array, and we'll do an array with a year of 2003, make is equal to Chevy, and model is equal to the Corvette, and car 2 is going to be, I'll just copy this whole thing, assign it as car 2, and the only difference that we're going to do is we'll just put that in quotes. So this one has data type integer, this one has data type string. So next we're going to test to see if car 1 and car 2 arrays are equal. And basically the way you do that is just with a var dump. And we would say car 1 is equal to car 2. So we just want to test equality. So is car 1 equal to car 2? Let's go ahead and see. If we hit refresh, we get true. Even though they have different data types, they are equal. And then we can test absolute equality to see if car 1 and car 2 have the same key value pairs in the same order and of the same type. And that is false. They don't have it of the same type. We can also do var dump. Let's actually just copy this one. And we can say not equals to see if array 1 and array 2 are not equal to. And according to this operator, it's saying false, which it's basically saying, yeah, they are equal to. But we could say not identical to, so car 1 not identical to car 2, and that's coming out as true. That is correct. car 1 and car 2 don't have the same, I mean, they do have the same key value pairs in the same order, but they have different data types. And that's pretty much it for array operators.